Get acquainted with the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Choose the minivan that's safe, smart, comfortable, and fun to drive. The Pacifica ticks all the boxes. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your most precious cargo is in good hands. The Pacifica has your family's back. Test drive it today.